I love Smallrig. I have purchased a lot of stuff from them, and this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but I got this as a present, let's say, for buying the cage that I have for my camera right here. I have always buy their products, especially for their cage cameras and accessories for cameras. I didn't knew that they made microphones. So today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the Smallrig Forevala U60, that is an USB microphone. So let's open it up and see what is inside. One of the first things that I noticed right out of the bat is that it has a great package and it looks really premium. Look at this. Smallrig Big Dream. Inside we have some stickers, the instructions manual or user manual, we don't need that, and some soft but really good packaging foam. And here is the microphone itself. It has a 360-degree swivel mount, but you also have the possibility to set it into your microphone stand with the added thread on the bottom of it. On the bottom you are also going to find the USB Type-C cable for connecting it into your PC and a 3.5mm jack for your headphones. In the front we have the gain knob for your microphone as well as the headphone output volume, and on the back we can change the different patterns, because this microphone, it reminds me a little bit as the Blue Yeti, but let's see if the quality is different. Now this should have an anti-vibration setup inside of the microphone itself that is going to eliminate some of the noises if you bang your table. Now before we set it up into the PC and try it out, let me tell you a little bit about the specs of the microphone itself. The Smallrig Forevala U60 uses a smart audio chip for high quality sound pickup. It's promising a total harmonic distortion, or THD, of only 0.3%. The dual channel 24-bit 48 kHz standard, it should give you studio quality sound and have a multi-capsule array that allows for 360 sound sampling, making it really versatile for different kinds of audio recording needs that you have. Now these have 4 different pickup patterns, including stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. Like this, if you are, for example, wanting to do a podcast, you can set it up to pick up the pattern of the sound from 2 people, one in front of each other. Now, with nothing more to add into this, let's set it up into the PC on the back and let's try it out. Now that we are in front of the PC, the setup process is really easy. All that you have to do is, of course, to connect the USB cable into your PC and then the other end into the microphone itself. That is it. Nothing else. This microphone is plug and play and support macOS, Linux, Windows, PS4, PS5. So you are not going to be limited in options of where you can connect this microphone. Now we're going to start with the sound test, and I'm going to let you guys decide if you think that this microphone for the price of 90 bucks is the correct purchase for you. So all the tests that I'm going to be doing is going to be using OBS, and I'm going to show you guys the test with and without any post-processing that I'm going to be doing when I edit the video in DaVinci Resolve, that is the software that I use. So for this first test, we're going to be using the cardioid mode. This is an audio test of the Smallrig Forevala U60. This is an audio test of the Smallrig Forevala U60. And now let me try it by pressing some keys on the back of the microphone to see if this microphone picks them up. This is an audio test of the Smallrig Forevala U60. This is an audio test of the Smallrig Forevala U60. This second test is going to be on the stereo mode, where you can speak in both front and back of the microphone itself. This is a perfect setup if you want to use the microphone to do some interviews when you are sitting in front of the other person. So this is an audio test from the Smallrig Forevala U60 from the front, and this is an audio test of the Smallrig Forevala U60 from the back. Of course, if you're having it into this mode and you're pressing your keys, you're going to have the noise in the background. Now for this test, we're going to be using the omnidirectional mode, that is going to pick up the sound all over the microphone itself. What is perfect if you like to do this. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you like this video. Press the like button. You know what I mean. But anyway, if you are using this mode, you are going to pick up the same amount of sound anywhere from the microphone itself. Let's set it up into the last mode, and this is the stereo mode, when you're going to be able to pick up both patterns. So theoretically, if I make it correctly into my editing software and as well as YouTube pick the sound quality okay, if I move from side to side on the microphone, and if you guys are wearing headphones, now you can hear my voice coming from one ear and now to the second one. And these are the modes that you have on the Smallrig Forevala U60. Now, for the price itself, I think it's a really good microphone, guys. Now, as I said before, of course, I want that you choose and you make your own opinion of the microphone with all of this test. If you want me to check out with another software, to make anything else on this microphone or a complete review, just let me know in the comments down below. And guys, I think that is pretty much it. So if you enjoy content like this one, don't forget to drop a like into the video so I know that you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe to the channel because I try to post quickly. And if you enjoy tech content, tutorials, guides, reviews and unboxings, you come into the right place. So subscribe. This really will help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and as I always say, see you guys on the next time. Bye bye.